Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys, taking a look at silver. I think it's time for us to abandon our daily downtrend chart because we've broken out of that trend. We haven't really done anything. We're just moving sideways at this point. So what we're going to do is just look at the recent action and look for some sort of direction. And what I'm going to do is look at a couple key levels. 1716 is the lowest low we've seen recently. 1787 before that. And then we've got a little bit of a high here, 1795. So potentially we are setting up a daily equilibrium. It would be a little bit extended, but really what I'm looking for is some sort of conclusive break of one of these levels. More importantly, I want to see some volatility return to silver, and I want to start seeing some big red and green days like we have been seeing over the past couple weeks. Right now, things are just getting slowly tighter and tighter. And we're waiting for that volatility, which is really reflected in our sideways moving averages. And I touched on that in the gold video, so I won't spend a lot of time on it. But what I'm looking for right now on silver is going to be a bull break over 1787 or a conclusive bear break under 1716 to give us a sense of direction on the daily time frame. We're just going sideways right now. On the 4-hour time frame, that is reflected in the generally meandering trends that we are seeing. We were in a 4-hour uptrend. We have since lost that here with the failure to break above 1787 and breaking lows underneath 1751. Not a lot of information here on the 4-hour time frame, and it is very similar on the hourly. We can see that we are in a nice hourly uptrend, downtrend, sideways trend, a little bit of a breakout. Now we're in an hourly downtrend again. So it's all about waiting for the daily. Watch these tightening ranges, see if we can get something more conclusive on the daily time frame. A nice inside bar tomorrow would be wonderful. Give us some hope of a short-term break. And what we want to see ultimately would be an hourly break. Let's take something like this. Here's our hourly range. What we would like to see would be a tightening equilibrium, something that gives us a little sense of direction, a nice level, a break, come up to our resistance at 1787, maybe a nice little bull flag, and something like that. Something that gives us the steps that we need through visual cues to make some good trade management and some potential entries. Right now, just back and forth chop. It's really not doing anything for us, and it's a hands-off type situation for me. So I'll be watching, waiting, and when opportunity arrives, we will take advantage of it. That's the beauty of technical analysis. Have a good day, everyone.